Today we're working on a Chevy Equinox. This is a 2011, and what we're doing today is we are removing the multifunction switches, which is the directional switch and the wiper switch. Get that cover loose. Okay, we got the top cover loose. So now we're going to remove the bottom cover, turn our steering wheel 90 degrees to the right here, and we can get this T20 screw right here. Holds the cover in. And we turn our steering wheel to the other side, and there's another screw over here, the same spot. And then there's one on the bottom of the column underneath. You'll see it, it'll be a little hole right there, and here is where that bottom screw was on the bottom cover. Now we can unsnap these connections on the side. There's 3 of them. We unsnap those, and then we can remove our top cover. Okay, there we go. On that top cover with the seal on it, these are the pieces that snap into the side that you have to undo on both sides. Now, to remove the switch, we want to find these little tabs, one on the bottom and one on the top, and push gently in towards the stock here. I'm going to exert some force with my other hand outward, and that will relieve the switch. Now we have one electrical connection on the back, right here. And that's it. Now to do the directional switch, it's the same thing. So that's all there is to removing a multifunction switch from your Chevy Equinox.